Honda Motor Company Limited is a Japanese multinational automobile and motorcycle manufacturer founded in 1948. It is one of the largest and most well-known automotive companies globally, recognized for its reliable and fuel-efficient vehicles. Honda's commitment to innovation, reliability, and fuel efficiency has made it a popular choice for consumers worldwide. The brand continues to evolve and expand its vehicle lineup to meet the demands of modern drivers while maintaining a strong foothold in the automotive market. Merits of Honda vehicles. 1. Reliability. Honda cars are well regarded for their reliability and durability. They often require fewer repairs and have longer lifespans compared to some other brands, resulting in higher customer satisfaction. 2. Fuel efficiency. Honda has a strong focus on producing fuel-efficient vehicles, making them an excellent choice for environmentally conscious consumers and those seeking to save on fuel costs. 3. Practicality. Many Honda models offer practicality and versatility, with well-designed interiors and ample cargo space. This makes them suitable for families, commuters, and individuals with various lifestyle needs. 4. Innovative technology. Honda incorporates innovative engineering and technology in its vehicles. This includes hybrid powertrains in models like the Insight and Clarity, as well as advanced safety features and infotainment systems. 5. Resale value. Hondas tend to retain their value relatively well over time, which can be advantageous for owners looking to sell or trade in their vehicles. 6. Wide range of vehicles. Honda offers a diverse lineup of vehicles, catering to various segments and customer preferences, including sedans, SUVs, minivans, and motorcycles. 7. Affordability. In general, Honda vehicles are competitively priced, making them accessible to a broader range of consumers. Demerits of Honda vehicles. 1. Performance. While Honda vehicles are reliable and fuel efficient, some enthusiasts may find that they lack the performance and driving excitement offered by some competitors, especially in the luxury and sports car segments. 2. Interior materials. While Honda's interiors are practical, some critics have pointed out that certain materials used may not feel as luxurious as those found in more upscale brands. 3. Ride comfort. In some models, the ride comfort may be criticized for being firm or less refined compared to some competitors. 4. Road noise. Some Honda models may be more susceptible to road noise at higher speeds, which could affect overall cabin comfort on long drives. 5. Styling. Styling is subjective, but some individuals may feel that certain Honda models lack the visual appeal or uniqueness found in some rival vehicles. 6. Limited off-road capability. While Honda offers some capable SUVs, they are generally more focused on urban and on-road driving rather than rugged off-road adventures. 7. Infotainment system complexity. While Honda's infotainment systems offer many features, some users may find the interfaces complex or not as intuitive as those of some competitors. Examples of Honda models. 9. Honda Civic. The Honda Civic is one of the most popular compact cars globally. It is known for its fuel efficiency, reliability, and practicality. The Civic offers various body styles, including sedan, coupe, and hatchback, and is available with both gasoline and hybrid powertrains. 10. Honda Accord. The Honda Accord is a mid-size sedan that is widely recognized for its spacious interior, comfortable ride, and strong reputation for reliability. It has been a mainstay in the sedan market for many years. 11. Honda CR-V. The Honda CR-V is a highly popular compact SUV known for its practicality, spacious cabin, and excellent fuel efficiency. It caters to families and individuals looking for a versatile and comfortable vehicle. 12. Honda Pilot. The Honda Pilot is a mid-size SUV with 3 rows of seating, making it an ideal choice for larger families. It offers a combination of utility, comfort, and safety features. 13. Honda Odyssey. The Honda Odyssey is a minivan that provides ample space for passengers and cargo, along with numerous family-friendly features and amenities. 14. Honda Insight. The Honda Insight is a hybrid sedan that prioritizes fuel efficiency and environmental friendliness. It offers a sleek design and advanced hybrid technology. 15. Honda CR-Z. The Honda CR-Z is a compact hybrid sports coupe, which aims to blend efficiency with sporty driving dynamics. 16. Honda Goldwing. Among Honda's motorcycles, the Goldwing is a legendary touring bike renowned for its comfort and features for long-distance rides. It's essential to consider individual preferences, needs, and priorities when assessing the merits and demerits of Honda vehicles or any other brand. Overall, Honda's strong reputation for reliability, practicality, and fuel efficiency has made it a popular choice for a wide range of consumers, from budget-conscious buyers to environmentally conscious drivers. As with any major purchase, conducting thorough research, test driving, and considering personal preferences will help ensure you choose a vehicle that aligns with your specific requirements. If you have enjoyed this video, then like, share, comment, and subscribe for more updates.